Customer states I spent $1,500 to get my car fixed at a shop, but it's still messed up. 2012 Mazda 3. Customer states it overheats, randomly revs up, and shuts off and doesn't want to start back up. Here it is with the idle concern. Turned off and now it doesn't want to start. I notice our engine temperature reads erratic, goes from -40 to normal. If I move the wiring, it definitely affects the readings and the way the engine runs. The wiring goes to this outlet and connects to the X sensor. Here is the sensor in question. And the connector, which is even worse. I'll be installing a new sensor and pigtail. Everything back together, and I'll pressure test the system for any leaks. The belt was badly worn and had a rib missing, so that'll get repaired as well. The temperature sensor does affect their fuel ratio. Switching to -40 will definitely make the computer flood the engine. Another wiggle test and this Mazda will be doing a lot better.